Hey Wallet Hubbers, today we're talking about the cheapest ways to borrow money for home improvements. Overall, the cheapest way to borrow money for home improvements is to borrow from a friend or family member. If you borrow from someone you trust, you may get better terms compared to a conventional loan or credit card. There are other cheap ways to borrow money for home improvements as well, so let's go over them. First, a cash-out refinance allows mortgage holders to replace their old mortgage with a new, larger loan. You can access cash to pay for home improvements if you get a cash-out refinance. Second, you can get a home equity loan to finance home improvements. The loan amount you get will be based on the equity in your home and will have a low interest rate. Third, home equity lines of credit let you borrow against the equity in your home. These lines of credit typically have lower interest rates than credit cards. Fourth, you could also get a loan from the government, such as FHA or HUD loans, to pay for home improvements. These loans offer low APRs for qualifying homeowners. Fifth, using a credit card to pay for home improvements is also an option. You might even be able to get a 0% introductory APR. Credit cards often have relatively low limits though, so they're better for smaller home improvements. Alternatively, getting a personal loan for home improvements can offer you a large sum of money. Just keep in mind that home improvement loans usually have APRs between 4% and 36% and may have associated fees. Finally, it's worth noting that saving your money is the cheapest way to pay for home improvements. If you use money you've saved up for these improvements, you won't have to make interest payments or pay expensive fees. Now that you know a little more about the cheapest ways to borrow money for home improvements, it's time to compare options. Click the button here to see the best home improvement loans available right now.